Hey everybody, so this is a project that I did a while ago and it chipped off right there while it was on the lathe and flew off at me. So I just set it to the side to get to later, and it is later now, so we're going to put that back on the lathe and get it fixed up. It's a nice piece of Acacia. But anyway, so if you enjoy this sort of content, you like my videos, leave them a heart, and if you'd like to see more, follow so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one.